Introducing the Amethyst Arouser, a superior quality personal massager with a clitoral arouser. The uniquely penis-shaped shaft and little bunny clitoral arouser are made of durable PVC. The end cap is made of a safe and pure plastic. This vibrant purple, powerful teaser is 3 inches long and 1.5 inches wide. The arouser is 1¼ inch long and 3/4 inch wide. This vibe is perfectly shaped for penetration and clitoral stimulation. It's easy to use. Just flick the switch on the bottom of the vibe. Your arouser uses 2 AAA batteries. To increase your pleasure, be sure to use a quality lube like California Exotic Novelties Universal Lube. And don't forget to clean your arouser with California Exotic Novelties brand Universal Toy Cleaner. Experience pure pleasure with the dual stimulating Amethyst Arouser.